Welcome back to my subscribers, my followers. This is me part 2 with me birds in the cage. So you can see these are the hens. As we go down my shed, there's my flooring. Got some AstroTurf. Got it off a friend. I decided to put it in my shed. Go up the top, there's some more hens. That one's just coming out the mould. It's the last of the clutches. These ones have finished the mould. Some nice hens there for next year. Let's try and stand back. Might do a little zoom. This is just my phone. I'm not going to edit none of my videos. It is what it is. This is my part 2 of my videos of my canaries in their new painted cages. Just want to let you know what is my upcoming season for 2025. Obviously I've got a cage spare there if we've got any aggressive hens or any aggressive cockbirds. Come down here. There's some of your cockbirds here. Just put a little bit of broccoli in there. That one's just finished the mould. There's a spare cage there. Just one spare double breeding cage. Just we'll come along now to the other side of the side. There's my cockbirds in there. Come down to the bottom here. Got another 3 birds in there. Try and step back so you can actually see, and I'll do a little zoom. But yeah, there were my cockbirds in there. And down at the bottom, there's some cockbirds in here. Three cockbirds. I'll just zoom out again. Obviously just come along slowly. There's great potential here for next year. Let's go up to the top. That's my cockbirds. These are my hens. There's some nice stunning birds there for next year. All different coloured rings. So you've got your red rings. Red ring there. Jump along the bottom, you've got a brown ring, a pink ring there standing up there. There's another pink ring up there. Now these are my reds. There's my hens. I think there's a cockbird in there. As we go down to the cockbirds again here. These are them in the second cage. As I said, I've got 5 birds to a cage. I've got some stunners in there for next year. As you can see, the red bottles. The bird, this doesn't justify, but stunning bird. That's a stunning bird there. You can see the most different types of mould. Come down here, got some hens. And as we come down to the bottom, we've got some more hens. Some red hens just coming out from mould, and I'm going to stop actually colour feed. But as usually come if I step back and zoom in. They're the actual red birds. They're coming here. As I walk back down to my shed. Don't want it. You can see my floor. It's just to tidy it up. just a temporary floor, as you can see, it's all the way along. Go along here, got your hens in there again, there's the yellow hens. That's got your tick on its wing and also on its head. There's also the one in there that's got a tick just on the head. As we'll come back along here, these are the actual cockbirds in here. But obviously your cockbirds in here as well. Just put 3 to a cage. But yeah, I think I'm going to go along with the sawdust. So come in here. If you've liked what you're seeing, smash that like button. Your hens up there, there's some stunning hens up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hens. Got around about 6 cocks, 7 cocks that I can actually see. I've got a lot of pairs for next year. There's 6 hens up there, there's 6 hens along there, and obviously I've got 3 cockbirds in there, 3 cockbirds in there, 3 cockbirds in there, there's 9. Another 3 in there, another 3 in the bottom. So I've got more than enough space for them. If you've liked what you're seeing, just smash that like button. Share my channel. Thank you and good night.